Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Alright, everyone, you don't know who this already. This is the skiller. You saw me I said to you. Now, I have one job interview with you for sure. No way. Me can't believe that this is a job interview. Me say, yo, you know what, my viewers them need to see that one here. Because we need to know if this is a job interview or is a joking thing. This. You see me I said, you don't know enough to listen keenly. If you see the point of me, I try to make another one here. So me I said, and as always, just let me know what you think if you like the video I presented. And always, click the subscribe button to stay up to date, alright? You know listen to that one here. Observe.
Okay, now we have our guests coming in for an interview. Come in, sir, and have a seat, please.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Have a seat. So pleasant of you.
This is my Retty.
Sorry, this is?
Retty.
Oh, you mean resume?
Yeah.
Okay, I see. I might just take a look on it.
This is a cold beer. Thank you very much.
Okay. I see. So, your name is?
My name is Degrading Marshall.
I didn't hear that, sir.
Degrading Marshall.
Okay. So, which school did you go?
Earth Primary.
Okay, and what age you start school?
Only 2 years old.
Okay, so where you used to do at school?
Never spell a rat. Math. And spell sat.
Oh, so you still can't spell those now?
Yeah.
Alright, spell it, let me hear.
R-A-T rat. M-A-T mat. C-T cat.
Oh. So, how old you be when you leave school?
Me the 2 year old.
When you leave school?
When I leave school.
What age you attend school?
2 year old.
And what age you leave school?
2.
Oh, I see. So what type of work you used to do?
We used to spell a rat.
No, oh, you say you used to do those things in school? Alright, so what type of work you do when you left school?
We used to plant ground. Strip up yard. They don't cooking for people.
Okay, I understand. So did you get paid?
Sometimes they give you a little money.
Much like how much money so?
200.
Okay, so you don't think that work, your time at work, pick up rubbish and them something, they should get more than 200, don't you?
Should I get 120 pick up rubbish?
Alright, I understand. So, do you have any girlfriend?
We have no girlfriend.
You don't have no girlfriend? So what type of girl you like?
You will like?
Me you like?
Yeah.
Oh, so you like slim girls?
Yeah.
Okay, so why you like slim girls?
Children and slave are there besides them.
Oh, I understand you. Alright, so, and this job now, how much money you don't want a week?
And I want 20,000.
20,000 a week?
Yeah.
Alright, I understand. So, you have any kids?
I get no kids.
Do you plan on getting any kids?
Never let me get one right you.
You're a kid, okay. So, you want your kids look like you, or you want the kids look like
I want the kids
whosoever?
look like me.
Alright, because you're so beautiful, right?
Yeah.
Alright. So, alright now. So, what type of car you don't want to drive in the future?
One dippy. One dippy.
I don't know. Explain, like, what you mean by dippy?
Dippy. Honda.